All right, this is Sean here, ShawNshawN. I am going to do a galaxy today. So we'll see. I'm going to try to do two at once. I used to paint like in a series like this, but not, haven't done it in a while because I thought you get better energy if you work on one work at a time, so you don't, but since this is the exact same composition except, slightly different variations, so I'll probably change the bottom of the galaxy as it meets the skyline. So I'll have a different skyline, maybe I think Mexico, so you'll use the Chichen Itza, and maybe some mountains like Wyoming scene. But of course, it's all make-believe since the galaxy doesn't look like this from our sky. It does through a telescope and not necessarily to the naked eye, but it's just an interpretation. So wish me luck.